Hey, this is Devin here with Learning with Devin. Today we're going to learn how to use a slap hammer is what I call it, but it's a tack hammer. This is the Model HT50P, and we're going to be using the T50 staples from Arrow. So in order to load one of these things, you're going to come to the back of it here. You're going to push down, slide back, pull out. You're going to find the little slot here. You're going to be placing it in like so. Now you can load two of these, but I'm just going to load one in. And we're going to spring load it down, get it back in there. Now it's ready to go. You'll be able to see that they're in there. Just be careful. All right, so this is good for putting up insulation. So what we want to do with insulation, a lot of people stick it to the outside here, and we're going to go ahead and redo this because it was done on the outside. We're going to tuck it in just a little. You don't actually want to push on this. You don't want to squish this any at all, because the more you squish it in, the less R value you're going to get. So we're going to squish it in just a little on the edges. We're going to come in with the tack hammer, tack it in. So if you want to come over here with the camera, we're going to get another shot. All right, so we're going to go in here. We're just going to crease it in until this is flush in the wall. We're going to hold it down, tack it in. So that's how you use a tack hammer, and that's how you put in insulation the correct way. Okay, so while you're stapling, I mean, this thing's pretty heavy, so a lot of times you have to grip it a little closer, and as you get in there, some of the tighter spots, you're going to end up kind of slipping, maybe only catching maybe the corner of it, and you're going to get a staple jammed in here. The best way is to take your pencil and pop it out. Okay. Whenever you notice you start getting low, you're going to smack, and you're going to be empty on staples again. Remember, just reload. I like to only put one in there because I get a lot more jams whenever I have two. I don't know why, but that's what happens. All right, so let's say you're coming in after somebody else and you want to get these staples out. You're going to get one of these. Let me get the package here. This is an Arrow, another staple extractor or staple lifter. As you can see here, you're going to get underneath the staple and pop it up. So we're going to try it real quick. Here's one that has a little gap on it. I'm going to get right here on the edge, pop it out. So that's it, and then you can see the finished product here. As it's stapled on the wall, it's a lot cleaner. And where they come in to do your drywall, they're going to be able to just lay some glue here and put your drywall right up.
Let's see that thing in action one more time.
Oh, this little guy? All right, so we're going to pop it in there. Let's see, this one has a little bit of stuff behind it. All right, we got it in there. I just had to kind of jam it in and then pop it off. That's how you remove the stick. Hey guys, just in case you guys wanted to use an alternative to this tack hammer, since it's kind of heavy, bulky, if your wrists are kind of killing you that day, I've got a few staples here to pop in this one. This is a POWERSHOT. You want to use it like this. Be very careful, don't try to use it like this because you're going to end up with a staple in your hand. But hold it like this. We're going to go ahead and take this out, the tray here. We're going to pop up and pull back, and then that's going to be sitting right there. We're going to take our staples and pop them in. You'll have a whole track here. Then you're just going to push it too, and it'll close up. Now that's where you want to put make sure your pointer finger's here. Whenever you're ready to put a staple in, you're just going to pop it in and staple it. Much easier than a slap hammer or a tack hammer. But sometimes you just want to get work done quick, and the tack hammer, you can just pop a lot of staples in there really quick. All right, well, that's been how to put in your insulation and fix some of these like on the interior of the stud so that they're not on the face, so that you can put in your sheetrock a little quicker. And yeah, if you want to go a little simpler, use the POWERSHOT. All right, this has been Learning with Devin, and I'll see y'all next time. I'm gonna get right here on the edge, pop it out. You're gonna push down, slide back, pull out. You just pop a lot of staples in there really quick. So we're gonna squish it in just a little on the edges. Come in with the tack hammer.